Here's the solution, or my solution, to homework number 18, problem number 1. We have a pair of channel locks, and do I have a little pair of channel locks? I had a little pair of channel locks sitting right here. It's an itty-bitty pair, though. A little tiny little one. Huh. I don't know what I did with it. Yeah, it's typical. Would have been really cute. Just showing you my channel locks. Anyway, yeah, so crescent wrenches are another brand name of wrenches, but never mind. Convenient uses, it was supposed to be a joke. So the dimensions here are, so this is 1.5 inches right there. B is 1 inch, whereas C is 10 inches. D is 0.5 right there. So I guess that's what the bolt is that's being squished. And this is 36.87 degrees. And we're going to put 15 pounds in there. And we're going to see what the force is that's going to be on the bolt. So let's take a look here. Okay. There's a guitar pick right there. You don't need to be. I don't need him around. Okay. So let's see. What's the best way to approach this? Probably, I'm going to say the best one is to take a look at this guy right here. I think that's the most straightforward one. I'm trying to make it look a little bit like the thing. And get this force. So let's say this is our FBD. And of course, this is the location of the bolt, right? So we have these are the forces that are on the bolt. So this is the equal and opposite force right there that's happening onto this thing. Let's see. I guess this thing is like right in there. And yeah, okay. I think we got everything we need here. So we got that distance and that distance right there. This is A. And we should also put in reactions right there. So that's going to be, let's call it FA, Y, FA, X right there. This is C, and this is P. Anything else in there? I don't think so. So let's call this one FE. Maybe right there. And so we get the sum of the moments about A is equal to 0. So it looks like P times C minus FE times A equals 0. And I think this problem is too easy. Is it true? Yeah. But there you go. What are you going to do? FE and A is 1.5 equal to 0. So FE is probably going to be 100. Is that right? I don't know. 15 times 10 divided by 1.5. Sure enough, 100 pounds. Is that all we asked for? Boy, that was like crazy easy. If the applied force is determine the force on the bolt. Yes. So the problem was crazy easy. And if we take something we call mechanical advantage, that would be like output versus over input, right? So it would be 100 pounds divided by 15. So 115. So you have 6.67 is mechanical advantage. I'm not sure why I didn't ask for that. Normally I would ask for it. I think I just forgot, maybe. I don't know. That's it. Okay. Easy video. You deserve a break.